The Jungle Book. Rudyard Kipling wrote The Jungle Book in 1894. There are 4 film versions of The Jungle Book. Disney's The Jungle Book hit cinemas in April 2016. The director was Jon Favreau. The Jungle Book is a story about Mowgli, a young boy raised by wolves in the jungle. In the beginning, Mowgli finds it hard to fit in with his wolf siblings. The tiger, Shere Khan, finds out that there is a human living in the jungle and tries to kill Mowgli. With the help of his friends Baloo the bear and Bagheera the panther, Mowgli tries to escape from Shere Khan. It seems his only hope is to find a human village and leave the jungle and his animal friends forever. The film is full of adventure and excitement, and it's got amazing special effects. The animals are CGI characters, but they look so real. The 10-year-old American actor Neil Sethi gives a great performance as Mowgli. Some very famous actors play the parts of the animals' voices. Bill Murray is Baloo the bear, and Idris Elba is Shere Khan the tiger. This is a magical film that the whole family can enjoy. Why not watch it in 3D and get the full experience?